Depression is far more than just sadness. It is a complex mental health condition shaped by a combination of biological, psychological, and social factors, and understanding the causes and risk factors can help individuals recognize, prevent, or manage it effectively. First, genetics play a significant role, as studies show that having a family history of depression increases the likelihood of developing the condition, suggesting that variations in genes affecting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine influence mood regulation. Second, brain chemistry and hormonal imbalances are key contributors, as disruptions in neurotransmitters or endocrine function, including thyroid or cortisol irregularities, can trigger depressive symptoms by altering emotional processing and stress response. Third, trauma and early childhood experiences strongly shape vulnerability, with psychoanalytic research highlighting that adverse events, neglect, or insecure attachment can affect personality development and emotional resilience, creating patterns that make individuals more susceptible to depression later in life. Fourth, chronic stress and life circumstances, including financial instability, long-term illness, or significant losses, are well-documented triggers, as prolonged exposure to stress increases cortisol levels, impairs neuroplasticity, and heightens feelings of helplessness, which are hallmark features of depression. Fifth, social isolation and loneliness are surprisingly powerful risk factors, as humans are inherently social creatures, and prolonged disconnection can activate the brain's social pain circuits, intensifying negative thoughts and self-critical patterns. Sixth, personality traits and cognitive styles, such as perfectionism, low self-esteem, or negative attribution bias, predispose individuals to depressive thinking by amplifying failures and minimizing achievements, which cognitive psychology shows reinforces maladaptive neural pathways over time. Finally, substance abuse and unhealthy lifestyle choices, including alcohol, drugs, poor sleep, and lack of exercise, can worsen or trigger depression by disrupting brain chemistry, sleep cycles, and emotional regulation, creating a vicious cycle that is hard to break. Depression usually arises from a complex mix of genetics, environment, and psychological factors, and identifying these triggers is key to prevention, intervention, and self-compassion. As understanding the roots of depression empowers individuals to seek help, adopt healthier coping strategies, and ultimately reclaim emotional well-being. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective.